My friends over at Cisco are partnering with VAST Data and NVIDIA to make it easier for IT teams to run AI applications at scale. By adding VAST's InsightEngine and shared everything storage to Cisco AI Pods with NVIDIA GPUs, the platform enables fast, real time data access for advanced AI agents. Of course, this is what helps organizations standardize their AI infrastructure, but challenges like legacy systems, skill gaps, and high costs still remain. That's going to be pushing IT leaders to balance cloud fees with a new expense of on premises hardware. Ned, I know that you have probably immersed yourself in all of the wonder that is AI, but I have a question. Will being able to add these features to AI pods really encourage people to start investigating AI, or is this just another thing that a few people wanted and they figured they'd put it on the truck?
Hmm. Good question. I'm not sure. I'll ask ChatGPT and let you know. Seriously, though, I think that if you are an enterprise that's championing, that's a word, AI right now, one of the things that you're trying to do is supplement the existing models with the information that exists inside your organization. And that's usually done through RAG, or retrieval augmented generation. That is something that makes AI notoriously data hungry. It wants to vacuum up all these data sources, but you can't just point it at a file share or a database or a repository of objects and say, go look through all this and tell me what you find. It actually needs to transform that data into something that AI is able to incorporate into its existing model. And that's done through vector databases. What VAST is offering here is not just a storage platform, but also the data pipelines to do that transformation of structured and unstructured data into vectorized databases that can then be incorporated into the AI model. And so it's this tight coupling between VAST's storage, its operating system, they call it an AI operating system, and its InsightEngine, tying back into the GPUs, the NVIDIA GPUs, that are going to be inside these UCS chassis supplied by Cisco. So I think VAST is the secret sauce here. I'm not going to say that Cisco doesn't make cool hardware, because they do, but it's really like NVIDIA and VAST, and Cisco supplying the box that they get to party in. That's what we're looking at here. If you're in the market for this integration of your enterprise data into AI models to try to surface some additional intelligence or something along those lines, this might be very attractive to you, especially if you're already a Cisco customer. Dell and HP already have similar products that implement similar features. And I think the big thing is probably the GPU and the storage, and less so the compute that sits behind it.